Hey, I'm Addy from English with Addy.
DM direct message.
IG, Instagram,
FB Facebook.
FYI. For information.
BRB be right back.
IDK. I don't know.
G2 grams got to go.
ASAP. As soon as possible.
WDYM what do you mean?
F2F. Face to face.
TTYL talk to you later.
WYD. What are you doing?
FFS for fuck's sake.
BTW. By the way.
Defo definitely.
FAQ. Frequently asked questions. FYI. For your information. Candidate.
PPL people.
Why?
LOL laugh out loud.
BTW. By the way.
CTEN can't talk now.
GG. Good game.
GJ good job. HTH hope this help.
OT. Of topic.
OMG oh my god.
LMAO. Laughing my ass off.
BRB be right back.
BBF. Best friend forever.
TY thank you.
XOXO. Hugs and kisses.
YOLO you live once.
YW. You're welcome.
ZZZ sleeping.
TTYS. Talk to you soon.
ASLH. Sex. Location.
IRL. In real life.
JK just kidding.
POV. Point of view.
NC no comment.
GFY. Go for yourself.
GFY good for you.
CEO. Chief Executive Officer.
CFO Chief. Financial Officer.
HR. Human Resource.
PR Public Relations.
IT. Information Technology.
AFK away from keyboard.
BBL. Be back later.
BFD big fucking deal.
GFY. Good for you. PM. Project Manager.
POV point of view.
NC. No comment. TMB. Tweet me back. WTPA. Where's the party at? DAE. Does anyone else? PRT. Please retweet. PTB. Please text back. DIA. Thanks in advance. OMW. On my way. GL. Good luck. TTYL. Talk to you later.